What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So, which means once you click them links down at the bottom, you would be directed to my official social media platforms. I got a lot of fake IGs, I got a lot of fake Telegrams, YouTubes, you name it, all right? So, before you send your money to anybody claiming to be me, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you doing legit business, you getting what you paying for, and you talking to me, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get into it. So, y'all know I've been dropping gems. That's all I do. That's all I know how to do, is how to put people in a position to win, how to put other people and give them the same information that I have, that I apply to my life, to put me in the positions that I am, so you can put yourself in the same positions, all right? So today, I know I'll be talking about all these credit hacks and this and that. So today I'm going to be talking about 3 laws. Yes, the 3 laws that you can use to remove late payments from your credit report. And by you removing things from your credit report, it really does help, especially with late payments. You might got a late payment on your car, credit card, a lot of different things that will play a part on you having a late payment on your report. All right, so today we're going to be talking about how to clean your credit, how to remove things off your credit, how to boost your credit, and so you can get on the journey of starting your 850 journey, and you can leverage that as a PG towards your business credit, and you can start getting business loans, credit cards, and things you need to see in life. All right, so today we're going to be talking about the first step to do to start building your credit is you have to get your credit report. Once you get your credit report, you're going to look at it and say, okay, these are all the collections that are on my credit report. These are all the inquiries on my credit report. Once you figure out all the inquiries, all the collections that's being reported on your credit report, you're going to freeze your credit profiles. All 3 of them, your Equifax, your Experian, and your TransUnion, all right? So once you freeze all of your reports, and like I told you guys in the last video, there's different ways that you can go about it. There's different ways that you can really do things. Because like I said, one, if you leave those collections on your credit report and you start making payment towards them, it's going to keep your CP, your credit profile, aged, and it's going to start building credit history from that point. So if you get those payments back to exceptional payment and things like that, it's going to look good and your credit profile is going to be aged. But if you freeze your credit report and you start knocking off those collections off your credit profile, it's going to de-age your credit profile. And you're going to have to re-age your credit profile with good debt. So it's a pro and a con to either way that you go, all right? So boom. So let's say you take the route to getting these things off your credit profile. So boom, you cleaned your credit profile. You froze your credit bureaus, your profiles across the 3 bureaus, boom. You disputed all the collections that's on your collection, boom. Now you disputed them. Now things after 2 weeks are starting to fall off, right? So now you got these starting to fall off. Now you got these late payments that's on your report. Now it's like, man, I got these late payments. These are really affecting my credit report, my credit score. How can I get these off my credit reports? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you guys the law. Yes, the law that you can use to get late payments taken off your credit report. All right, so we're going to be talking about 3 laws today. We're going to talk about the 15 U.S. Code 1666B, which is the timing of the payments. The next code is going to be the 15 U.S. Code 1666, which is the correction of billing errors. And the third one is going to be the 15 U.S. Code 1681B, which is the permissible purpose of consumer reports. All right, and these 3 laws you use to get the late payments off your credit report. All right, so without further ado, let's check these 3 laws out. All right, so the first code is the 15 U.S. Code 66B, timing of payments, and it says time to make payments. The creditor may not treat a payment on a credit card account under an open-end consumer credit plan as late for any purpose, unless the creditor has adapted reasonable procedures designed to ensure that each periodic statement including the information required by Section 1637B of this title is mailed or delivered to the consumer no later than 21 days before the payment due date, all right? And then it just goes on the grace period. If any open-end consumer credit plan provides a time period within which an obligor may repay any portion of the credit extended without incurring an additional finance charge, such as additional finance charge may not be imposed with respect to such portion of the credit extended for the billing cycle which such period is a part, unless the statement which includes the amount upon which of the finance charge for the period is based was mailed or delivered to the consumer no later than 21 days before the date specified in the statement by which payment must be made in order to avoid imposition of the finance charge. All right, so that's the U.S. Code, the 15 U.S. Code 1666B, timing of payments. All right, that's the first one. So then the next one we're going to be doing is the 15 U.S. Code 66B, timing of payments. Then we got the U.S. Which one is this one? It's the timing of payments. And then we got the U.S. Code 1681B, permissible purposes of consumer reports. All right. So basically, what this one is stating, hold on, let me get this back up. Hold on, y'all. So basically, this one is the subject to subsection of any consumer reporting agency may furnish a consumer report under the following circumstances and no other. In response to order, the court having jurisdiction to issue such an order, a subpoena issue in correction of the proceedings before the federal grand jury, or subpoena issued in accordance with the section 5318 of the Title 31 or section 3486 of the Title 18. And then it just basically goes down and states the information that you will need. And this is stating why you need that one. You need this one. This is that law. 15 U.S. Code 1681B, permission and purpose of the consumer. And then you got the 15 U.S. Code 1666, correction of billing errors. And basically, write notice by obligor to creditor, time for the contents to notice, procedures upon receipt of notice by creditor. If a creditor within 60 days after having transmitted an obligor or statement of the obligor's account in correction, with the extension of consumer report receives at the address disclosed under section 1637B10 of this title, a written notice other than notice of a payment stub or other payment medium supplied by the creditor, if the creditor so stipulates, with the disclosure required under the section 1637A7 of this title from the obligor in which the obligor. All right, so them three laws. So we got 15 U.S. Code 1666, correction of billing errors. Then we got 1566 code. We got 15 U.S. Code 1666B, timing of payments. And then we got 15 U.S. Code 1681B, permission of purposes of consumer reports. Those three laws will literally get late payments deleted off your credit report. All right, so let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. The three laws that will remove late payments off your credit profile that will get you back in the race. So let's talk about it. 15 U.S. Code 1666B, timing of payments. 15 U.S. Code 66, correction of billing errors. And then we got 15 U.S. Code 1681B, permissible purpose of consumer reports. All right. Those 3 laws will help you get those late payments off your credit report and really literally get you back in the race of a good credit profile, so you can start getting those loans and houses and cars and credit cards and lines of credit that you guys want and need to get your business off the ground and get your life back in the right direction. All right, so make sure y'all taking them steps. Make sure y'all looking up them codes, and make sure y'all using them codes to get those late payments off your credit report so you can get you back in the race. And like I said, I make these videos so everybody out there can win. I make these videos because, like I said, nobody out there was taught credit. Nobody out there even thought about credit. 9.8 times out of 10, everybody out there was taught never get credit cards, never get loans, never do this and never do that. Literally was telling you to do the things that you're supposed to do to build your life, to build your credit so you could be successful in life. And that's kind of weird. And I know everybody said, a lot of people out there got parents and grandparents and aunts and uncles that saying, don't get no credit cards, don't get no loans, don't do this and don't do that. But those are things that literally we need to do to improve our credit profile so we can do the things that we need to get the loans and the credit cards that we need. All right. So when people be like, I thought you was never supposed to get credit cards. They told me never get credit cards. That's just, they was told that to hold them back, and they thought that was correct. So they telling you that because that's all they know. But now I'm here to tell you that that's not correct. I'm here to tell you that you need to get those things. I'm here to tell you that you need to work on your credit. I'm here to tell you that you need to open up a bank account, checking and savings account if you don't have one. I'm here to tell you that the more knowledge that you have, the more power that you have, because when you learn about something, you're not able to do something. You're not able to instruct something that somebody else doesn't know how to do, and you can do it for them, and they can pay you for your services, and you can really start doing a lot of things that you never would have thought you would be doing in life because of the knowledge that you have. Point blank, period. And that's why I make these videos. I don't make these videos to flaunt money or show diamonds and chains and all that. Y'all know I don't really care about that. I care about people putting themselves in a position to make passive income. What is passive income? Money that you're making, money that's being made for you because you invested in something and now you just sit back and collect. Point blank, period. So you invest in something and they do the work and it makes money for you. That's passive income. Money that you're making while you sleep, that's passive income. And you get you 10 things that make you $10,000 a month in passive income, that's $100,000. You do that for a year straight, that's $1.2 million. It's a billion things out here that could be making us $10,000 profit after overhead each month. So why waste time? Why put ourselves in this little box and say, oh, I either can be a rapper, a drug dealer, or work a 9 to 5. No, there's so many different things that you could be doing to make so much money and be successful and have people looking at you a complete different way. And it'll save your life. Because there's a lot of people who watch my videos who want to be thugs and want to follow people who they scam or they do fraud or they make 30,000, they make 10, 20, 30,000 fast money. You think that. And those same people that y'all want to follow and the same people that y'all running behind is the same people that end up in the same place. And y'all know where that's at. It's 2 places. So be smarter than them. Learn something that they don't know, so now they got to come to you because you making money doing something way easier and way better that they wish they could do, and now they got to learn from you. I'm not here to put nobody in no bad position. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody successful. Point blank, period. That's the way life goes. When you're a real boss, you put people in the real position, you want to see everybody win. It's not about the amount of money that you have. It's about the amount of information and the amount of positions that you can put people in. Point blank, period. Because once you get older, once your mind starts to mature, certain things won't matter. You think I want to be wearing this big gaudy chains and diamonds around these multi-millionaire people who handle business? No, that's embarrassing. When you get to a certain age, this is too big, it's too much. You don't even want to present yourself like that. Point blank, period. Boss up. Boss your mind up, boss your life up, and start winning, all right? Shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle supporters. And shout out to all my new King Hussle subscribers and to the channel and fans. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. And that's what I'm going to continue to do, all right? So make sure y'all tune in. Make sure y'all subscribe and follow all the YouTube channels because you never know when I drop sauce. You never know when I drop new music or videos. And you never know when I drop a giveaway, all right? So make sure you follow all the YouTube channels. King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, The Hussle Family, King Hustle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into means. And make sure you follow me on my real social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title of every video at the bottom of the description. All my links will pop up and it will direct you to my real social media platforms. All right, King Hustle X1M and the real King Hustle X1M is my official IGs for me. All right, so make sure you tap in on all them. Make sure y'all tap in and come get y'all lessons. 500 basic lessons, $1,000 advanced lessons, $2,000 unlimited gems, FaceTime 101s. Book your seat right now in the crypto tour, in person, one-on-one, limited gems. $3,500 you come in state to me, $4,500 if I gotta come out of state to you. $500 deposit, lock your seat and your date in, and the rest of the money when I touch down and meet you in person. All right, so make sure you tap in. I'm still looking for rappers, actors, models, producers, cameraman, content creators for my production company. All right, so anybody out there any talent, tap in. You got any music you want to tap in? You ready to get signed? You think you got talent? Tap in. Music reviews is $200. You're not willing to invest $200 in you. Why should I invest $200,000 into you? All right, so make it make sense. Models, tap in. Content creators, you got at least 500 subscribers. You got at least 2,000 watch time hours on YouTube. You ready to elevate? You ready to make money? Tap in. I help you out with that. Models, you can't be corrected. You can't be directed. Make sure you got a good attitude. Make sure you're ready to win and work when you contact me, because I will put you in a position to win. I will put you in a position to make a lot of money from videos to podcasting to content creation, a lot of different things, right? So be willing to work, be ready to elevate, and I guarantee you we're going to win together. If you're a cameraman out there, you got a good camera, 4K, 6K, 8K, Red Dragon, whatever, you got some good editing skills, tap in with me. Houston, Texas, preferably, but if you're surrounding areas or can travel, tap in with me. Producers, tap in with me. Hey, that's when anybody out there looking to make passive income, you want to make you at least $3,000 a day. That's $90,000 a month off YouTube without showing your face. Tap in with me. Lessons is $500. You want me to help you make your YouTube channel and help you get things going, it's going to be $1,000. And I promise you, you're going to start making you a lot of money, passive income, without showing your face on YouTube. All right, so make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all come get y'all gems. Make sure y'all come win. It's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.